Hey, this is Erica with WTI. Are you looking for an option to prevent your tub drains from getting clogged? Then you're going to want to use the TubShroom. This little guy is just amazing at catching hair and keeping drains from getting clogged. It works for any standard tub drain. It fits in the top, allowing water to flow through while catching and wrapping hair around it. Every couple of days, I take it out and I clean it up. It's super easy to clean off. You just use some toilet paper or tissue and you pull off the hair and throw it in the garbage, and then you just stick the TubShroom right back in the drain. I really appreciate how environmentally friendly the TubShroom is. I don't have to use a bunch of harsh chemicals and pour them down the drain. And this actually works really well if you have a pet and you don't want their hair going down the drain when you're giving them a bath. It will catch any kind of hair. This is a super simple and affordable option that everybody should use in their bathtub to prevent their drains from getting clogged with hair. I love it, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.